Okay, so what's the sum of xc and y? That's the inside, okay? Well, we know it's 180, but we don't know. We have to prove it. We do know that these three angles are making a straight line. So the first thing we know is angle A plus angle C, plus angle B equals 180 degrees because they form a straight line. Now, I know that angle A and angle X are congruent, okay? So angle X can replace angle A, and angle B, just kidding, angle Y can replace angle B because they're alternate interior. So now I can say, instead of ACB, instead of A, I put angle X. I keep angle C. Instead of angle B, I put angle Y equals 180 degrees, okay? And the reason I know that is because I was able to replace them with alternate interior angles, which are congruent. So that is my explanation, okay? If you don't include how you know you can replace the angles, you haven't explained it. I believe you're going to do 4 and 5, and then check your work in the next video.